Hey guys, this is Henry. He loves animals very much. One day our hero went to the zoo. First he saw a kangaroo. Then he went on and saw an elephant. There were many animals in the zoo, and he liked them the most a tarantula. A chameleon. And a echidna. And a penguin. See you soon. Bye.